Hello, welcome to Steve McDonald's Arts and Crafts, and what I'm going to do today is I'm going to do these Christmas decoration moulds. And don't forget, I will put the link to all the moulds and everything that I use in the description below, so you just have to click on the link and it will take you straight to it if you want to get them. Now, I've been asked by my subscribers to show how I do the mica powder onto the actual mould again. I'm happy to do. I will do it on this one, and then I'll fast forward it on these other four so you can see it, and I'll talk you through it on this one. And this one is a cat mold. The brushes that I'm going to use are just normal brushes. I am thinking of buying some makeup brushes which are a lot softer, and I'm also going to be using these little micro toothbrushes as well. So the first color that I'm going to be using here is the black, and that's quite a large area in here, so I will be popping that in using a brush. What I do is I make sure I rub it all around both the edges and the base of the actual area that I want to cover. And then when I've got that on there, and I think I've got enough on there and it's nice and easily covered, what I'll do is I'll turn it over like this, and I'll tap it, and I'll tap the excess out, because I don't want that excess blowing around. I also have a baby wipe on hand as well, and I will try and clean up as much as I can as I'm going along the top bit. Where I don't want it, I want to get rid of it, and that stops me contaminating the rest. What I will do with the green is I will take another brush and I will just go in there, and I know this is green because it clearly says green on the top of my pot, because those of you that have been watching my videos before will know I am virtually completely colorblind, and as a result I do come up with some strange colors sometimes, but they look pretty to me. Again, making sure I get around to all the edges. Another tree here. There we go, and I'll tap that out. Now I can actually see that I've got some where I don't want it, and that is I've got some going in the swell, so I'll just put a bit of baby wipe on there like so, on the end of one of those sticks, and I'll just go round and I'll even that up. I'm going to take my small micro brush, pop it in the silver, tap it off on the edge, and then just go into it like so. And that way you can get a lot more precision, and you're making a lot less of the actual waste of the mica powder. And again, making sure you get right up to all those edges as you're going round. I'm quite happy with that. And it looks like this is another snowflake here. This is going to be quite a colourful one as well, so I'll just tap that out. Give a quick wipe over the top surface. And now we've got the kind of the windy bits as well, and I've decided I'm going to do those in a sky blue colour, and I'm going to use my brush again for that. I'm just going to pop that in all the way around the edge. I think these are going to look great on the tree. They're quite thin, so they're not going to be heavy on the tree at all. If you don't want to watch this again, I have added chapters to this video. I do add chapters to most of my videos, and you can then just skip using the chapters down below the little thing that pushes the video across, and you can go to the next bit. It's all filled out, so I just tap that out. I'm quite happy with that. And now I'm going to put the white in where the snow should be, which is the cat sitting on the snow. I'm just going to give that a bit of a clean. I'm just going to pop some white in there now. Making sure I go right up to those bits, getting all those edges in. And there we go, that's it done. I'm not going to be painting the top bit, because when this comes out, it actually comes out and you'll see why I'm not painting the top bit. So I'm just going to tap that excess out now, and that one there is all finished. And they're all ready. To actually have the resin in. And the nature of this one is that it is going to have a little bit of hollow areas to it where there is no resin. So what I'm using is a pipette here to fill it in, and you've seen me use pipettes before. I love using pipettes for filling molds. It gives you so much more accuracy, and you can be a lot neater and tidier with what you're doing. If you need to go over them very, very lightly with a lighter. I use a long-necked lighter to go over them. The others will just literally be a case of pouring the resin in. I'm just going to empty out these pipettes because I don't want to waste the resin. But with these ones, I just need to pour in until it gets to the desired level that you want. These have all cured now. I'm really pleased with what they look like now, and this is the one that I'm most excited about. There we go. So that has come out. I love the way that has come out. And as I said, you can see through this. I think that is going to look beautiful, hung on the tree, to be able to use as a Christmas decoration. You can make this in all different colours as well. So let's have a look at the other ones. Oh, that one's come out too. Really nice. And there's the snowflake, and I think that's come out lovely too. Oh, and so is the deer. It's come out quite dusky. And there's the one with the Merry on it as well. And you don't have to stick to these colours. You could do multicoloured or however coloured you like. I absolutely love how these have come out. I think they'll make great tree decorations and ideal to give away for people. Check out the video that's coming up next. It's another Christmas one. It's getting near Christmas now, folks. Hope you've enjoyed this. Remember to hit that subscribe button and to like. And please, if you feel like it, buy me a coffee to say thank you. It does help this channel keep going. And the link to be able to buy me a coffee is in the description below. Take care. Bye.